So if you're having difficulty finding a particular music you want to use on your posts on Instagram, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to go about fixing that so that you can get to see a full list of that artist's music on your Instagram. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Digital Peru, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also I can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So for you to fix this issue of not finding some particular music on your Instagram while trying to make a post, peradventure you don't know what I'm saying, let's assume you click on this plus button right here, you want to make a post. Then once you click on the plus button, then you select on this slippers to post on Instagram. You know, when you click on next, right here, you have to add the music by tapping on this plus button up here or by tapping on this audio down here. So once you tap on it, right here, you have to see a list of music you can add to your post on Instagram. So sometimes, sometimes you get to find a particular music and you will not see it on Instagram. So I'll be showing you how to go about fixing that. So the reason why that happens is because most of those music, probably Instagram does not have copyrights to those music. That is why it usually happen. And it could be because your Instagram is outdated. So you want to ensure you update your Instagram so that you don't experience that again. So just come to this three dash up here. Once you click on that, then this will load up for you. So just come over to where you have account center. Can you see that? Click on account center. Then right here, you have to come to where you have sharing across profile. So I just tap on that. Come over to the account you want to like fix. So I'll tap on the second account right here. So you can see this is turned off. Your Instagram post, your Instagram story, it's all turned off. So it means that whenever you make a post on Instagram, it won't share to Facebook. That's what it means. Like if you turn this off, so you want to ensure that you turn yours off over there. So if you turn it on, Facebook usually have a limit of music you can add to their posts. So if you are connected to Facebook, it will also limit what you can add to your Instagram. It will limit the kind of music or the number of musics you can use on Instagram. So just ensure you turn these two things off and you are good to go for now. So the second thing you want to do if you want to fix this issue is by going back. Once you go back, so come over to where you have creator tools and controls. So once you tap on that, then come to where you have switch account. Can you see it right here? Switch account type. So tap on that. Then you tap on switch to personal accounts. So once you switch to personal accounts, then tap on this again to confirm that you want to switch it. So it is already switching. Let's wait for this. Can you see? Switch to personal account. It means the account has been switched to personal account. If you're using a business account, you'll be limited with the kind of music you add because obviously a business account means you're making money with the account. Indirectly, it means you're using someone else's copyright, someone else's work to make money on Instagram. So that way they'll limit the kind of music you get to add. But if you switch it to personal accounts, you have more access to musics. You have access to more musics. And that is basically how you get to like fix this issue. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.